Welcome everyone to the Training Center of Central Texas. My name is John. I'm a Master Electrician with 28 years experience. Today we're going to be discussing Ohm's Law wheel. Here is an instance where we would use the Ohm's Law wheel to calculate voltage drop in an actual circuit. This circuit is 50 feet from the source. The source is 120 volts. It's number 12 wire. So each conductor, the hot and the neutral, have an ohms resistance of 0.1. So here's how you determine the conductor voltage for voltage drop on a 120 motor circuit. The formula you would use is E equals I times R. And as you can see here, it's a 16 amps on the circuit. So E would equal 16 amps times 0.1, which equals 1.6 volts. Since it's a run out and back, it's 16 amps times 0.2 equals 3.2 volts. That's actually how much voltage drop you have on this circuit. So your voltage actually getting to the motor is going to be 116.8. This is a great example of how you would use Ohm's Law to figure voltage drop in an actual circuit 120 volt motor. Okay guys, today we're talking about NEC Code 220.14i. This is the little bitty paragraph in your book that makes a world of difference. This is a 15 amp duplex receptacle. This baby you can put on a 15 amp circuit at 120. This one in my right hand now is a 20 amp duplex receptacle. It can be put on a 20 amp receptacle. So the reason I brought this up is if we do the math, for volts, we have 120. For amps, we have 15 and 20. Okay, 120 times 15 is 1800 VA, volt amps. 1800 VA times 80% equals 1440. VA. How many receptacles can we put on at 1440 VA? Each one of these is worth 180 VA. So you can put 8 15 amp receptacles on a 120 volt 15 amp circuit total. Okay, let's do the 20 amp receptacle. For this one, we have 2400 VA times 0.80, same math as before. We're doing 80% because you can't run your circuit at 100%. That equals 1920 VA divided by 180 for each one that you can put on, and we come up with 10 total. So there you go. Simple and easy math right out of the code book. I know it doesn't say the math in this code book, and it really should, because a lot of people get confused. The total number of duplex receptacles like this that you can put on a 15 amp circuit is 8. And the total amount of 20 amp receptacles that you can put on a 120 volt circuit is 10. There's the math. Try it. It works every time.